Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys some things I got at Ross, and they're actually glitters. So we're going to be showing you guys that, and I'm so sorry if this video ends. I'll be making a part 2. So today I'm just basically going to be showing you guys all the glitters I got at Ross. So let's get started. So the first glitter is this cute light blue glitter, but it's like different because it has like little lines instead of dots. Then this gold one that has dots, not lines. Next is this colorful one. Next is this silver line one. And then this red dot one. This green line one. This darker blue dots. This silver that is dots. This purple that is dots. This purple that is strings. Lines, I mean. And this gold that is lines. And then this red that is lines. So if you guys can see, those were like pairs of colors, but different shapes. So now I'm going to be showing you guys a clear slime, and I'm going to be adding the glitters. Not all of them, but 2. So I'm going to be adding this line one, light blue, and this gold one with dots on it. So these are the glitters I'm going to be using. And then I have my clear slime right here. Now this one already has glitter, has holographic glitter. That is okay. So let's take our slime out and start putting glitter. So this is the slime. It's clear. It just has some glitter. We're just gonna have more. Anyways, let's get started. So this type of glitter has like little dots. So I'm gonna be using this side. Hopefully it doesn't explode everywhere. Let's see if this can even open. I'm sorry guys. I got it open. Okay, so we're only gonna pour like a big hole like right here. You guys will notice like what I mean by lines and dots when I start pouring, because you can actually really see it now. This is gonna look like what do you call it? Snowflakes. The lines make it look like snowflakes, and then the slime is like snow or something. Lexi, whatever. So if you guys could see, like, those are lines, not circles. And then the gold is dots.
Oh, you're doing this? I thought it was clear, so I would be like, nice. Oh, there's a purple.
Okay, guys, so the next one is gold. I'm actually going to pour more blue because gold has a big gap.
Si la haces del otro lado.
No.
Oh, you can't open this other way?
I don't want to.
The gold doesn't have a big gap.
Okay, so now we're pouring gold.
Nice.
So this is like really cute colors.
Oh, bubbles coming up.
Now we are going to close the glitters, and let's start mixing it. So this is clear slime, not white slime.
That is white slime though.
No, it's not. It's made out of clear glue.
But you have clear glue?
Oh guys, this is gonna look really pretty with all the different types of glitters. This is actually really fun. guys see? It looks like a big old snow globe or something. It's like a Christmas color. But it's really cute. Anyways, we're gonna grab all the extra glitter that's surrounding it. Sorry guys if the slime's not in the camera. I'm trying to get all the extra glitter. No guys, I couldn't get all the glitter. But this is the slime, how it turned out. It's actually very pretty. So let's zoom in because I don't like how it looks. Okay. Put the lighting exactly on it. But yeah guys, this is how this slime turned out. I really hope you guys like this video of the unboxing glitter and showing you guys what I got from the store. And yeah, so I hope I see you guys next time. Zoom out. Big. Okay, guys are back to normal. So this is the slime again. It's really pretty in person, really pretty. On camera it looks really pretty too, but that's how it looks, guys. So I hope you guys really like this video. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. I basically do slime all the time. So if you guys love slime, I would suggest you to subscribe and watch my videos. And let's please try to hit 10 subscribers. We are only 1 subscriber away, guys. I hope you guys can actually hit it. And if we do, I will be making a slime tutorial for you guys. So I'll see you guys next time. And thank you for watching my glitter slime. So, peace.